such a loser.
Go away. No! Look,
She stole my
video, Ben.
Oh my god! That actually showed up. I'm kind of surprised. Hi, there's Ben. Stop moving it! Look, see, it's Ben. That's my MP3 player, by the way.
I'm a floating head.
I'm a floating head.
What are you doing?
Wait.
No.
I can zoom in on it. If I hit the right freaking button.
Take a picture of my pretty face. Wink.
That's not your pretty face. You just wish it was.
No, it's Ben talking.
Oh.
Ben's face? Ew, ugly.
Oh yeah, that's why you stared at the poster that you got all through Taking Back Sunday.
Blah, 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 blah.
Adam just IM'd me, so he said haha.
Haha. Oh, haha to him.
I don't know why he said haha, but... Oh, what is it now?
Here's me getting drunk.
That's not you. That's Ben.
9 Coronas.
What the hell kind of song is that?
9 Coronas.
Kelly goes to public school, so it's okay. I was never...
Action shot.
Wait, stop moving it. Oh, it's armor. Old school armor. Look, see? I'm talking to Adam. Yeah, no one cares. Anyway,
yeah, no one cares.
well, I care, because Adam's cool.
Yeah, well, the rest of us don't.
Kelly!
Katie! Oh my god, here's a dead guy.
I should not upload this now. Let me see the dead guy.
Hold on.
Quick, before the batteries die. Completely. Kelly, I can't hold. Come on.
What?
5, 4, 3.
No!
Hurry up.
Where is it?
I didn't see a dead guy, and I never put a dead guy. Liar.
Yeah, you did it.
I forgot to put video or a song on.
Wow.
Hurry up!
No!
That's gonna sound funny.
Oh. Oh well, I can't find the dead guy.
That's awesome. I'm turning it off now. Wave goodbye. Wait, let me see.
No.
What is it?
No.
What is it?
No.
Brett. Bye, Kelly.
Bye, Katie.